Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Elegant chiffon dresses with half sleeve and lace detailing. Ideal for semi formal to formal weddings. Floor and sheet dress with neckline, plated bodies, and thin third slit, suitable for both indoor and outdoor events. Chiffon aligned dresses with a relaxed fit, perfect for beach or garden weddings. Plum purple or light dress with sheer cuff sleeves and a breezy chiffon shirt, great for spring or summer weddings. Figure flattering sheets dresses with a pink heart slit, suitable for formal evening weddings. Opt for lightweight material like chiffon or crepe to ensure comfort and breathability. Soft house such as dusty house, navy or plum or argent and vesticide. Pair with a suitable jewelry for adding elegance and warmth during cooler evening. If you need a sentence with specific size, color matchings, or coordinating accessories, feel free to opt for lightweight material like chiffon or crepes to ensure comfort. Soft house such as dusty rice, navy or plum are argent